Hi everyone, my name is Cintia Calderon, and right now I'm going to tell you some interesting facts that you must know when you travel to South Korea. Okay, first, the way that people act. It's really important to know that you have to take off your shoes before entering a house. By this way, you show respect. Also, in the entrance of each house, you will find some house shoes that you have to use inside of the house. The traditional greeting is an inclination of your head, and the inclination must be pronounced when the other person is older. You don't have to forget that your arms have to be attached to your body. Also, the Korean people don't like a lot the physical contact, also in unnecessary situations, for example, hugs or kisses, things like that. Um, Another fact is that when you want to call someone, you have to do it with the palm of your hand down and moving your fingers like this, not with the palm of your hand up, because with this they call animals. Okay, local dishes. The most important is kimchi, and there are fermented vegetables, bulgogi that are marinated beef barbecue, bibimbap that is a mixed rice, and samgyeopsal that are pork strips. They also like a lot the seafood, but they don't cook it at all. Eating and drinking customs. Okay, it's really important to note that when you invite someone to eat, you have to pay all the bill. You can't divide the bill. Also, the older people, it's common that the older people pay for the bill. When someone offers you alcohol, you have to accept it for respect, and also by this way you don't win enemies. When you are going to eat, you will find chopsticks and a spoon, but the spoon is only for soups. Finally, you don't have to leave any food in the plate, and you don't have to get up before the others, especially before the older people. Okay, when you want to apologize for something, you have to do an inclination, but it depends on the degree of your lag. If you do a big lag, you have to kneel on the floor like this. Public transport. There exist taxis, subway, and buses. You have to pay it with T-Money and Cashby. For tourists exist Korea Tour Card. This is a card that you can buy in 2,500 wons, and then you have to recharge when you want to use public transport. And it's also really important to know that it exists four type of buses. The green one takes you do travel in short distance, and it takes you more closer to transfer to other bus or to subways. The blue one, it travels long distance inside a city. The yellow one, it travels really short distance in a neighborhood of the central city. And the red one is called express bus, and it connects neighboring cities. Also, in each bus stop, you will find the schedule of these buses and also its routes. Okay, finally, you have to be open mind to adapt better in a new environment. Thank you.